Phonograms show the smallest sounds in all the words we see.
The name of the letter is A. A makes 3 sounds: a, ah. The name of the letter is B. The sound of the letter is B. The name of the letter is C. C makes 2 sounds, k and s. The name of the letter is D. The sound of the letter is d. The name of the letter is E. E makes 2 sounds, e. The name of the letter is F. The sound of the letter is f. The name of the letter is G. G makes 2 sounds, g, j. The name of the letter is H. The sound of the letter is h. The name of the letter is I. I makes 3 sounds, I, E. The name of the letter is J. The sound of the letter is J. The name of the letter is K. The sound of the letter is K. The name of the letter is L. The sound of the letter is L. The name of the letter is M. The sound of the letter is m. The name of the letter is N. The sound of the letter is n. The name of the letter is O. O has 3 sounds, augh, ough, ough. The name of the letter is P. The sound of the letter is P. The name of the letter is Q. The sound of the letter is Qu. The name of the letter is R. The sound of the letter is R. The name of the letter is S. S makes 2 sounds, S and Z. The name of the letter is T. The sound of the letter is T. The name of the letter is U. U makes 3 sounds, U, The name of the letter is V. The sound of the letter is V. The name of the letter is W. The sound of the letter is W. The name of the letter is X. X makes 2 sounds, X and Z. The name of the letter is Y. Y makes 4 sounds, Y, E, I, I. The name of the letter is Z. The sound of the letter is Z.
Now it's time to learn consonant partner sounds and see if you can find them in the words you see around.
TCH says ch. SH makes a sh. WH says wh. NG makes a ng. PH makes a f. CK makes a k. GN makes n. KN makes n. WR says MB makes m. DGE says j. TH makes 2 sounds, th and th. CH makes 3 sounds, ch, k, sh. ED makes 3 sounds, ed, d, t. CI makes a sh. TI makes a sh. SI makes 2 sounds, sh and z. These are the vowel partner sounds. Ai. Ai makes an A. Ay. Ay makes an A. Eigh. Eigh makes A. Double E says E. Igh. Igh says I. Oa. Oa makes an O. Oe. Oe makes an O.
Hikers don't hurt dirty earthworms. These bossy are phonograms. All say er.
Er. Er says You are. You are says Ir. Ir says Ear. Ear says
Two more partners are bossed by R. Phonograms OR and AR.
OR makes two sounds, or and AR makes three sounds, R, or. AU, AW, and AUGH all say augh. OI and OY both say oi.
Vowel partners I can try, EA, EI, and EY. One more partner goes with E, the backward phonogram called IE.
EA makes three sounds, E, A. EI makes two sounds, EA. EY makes two sounds, EA. IE makes two sounds, EI. EW makes two sounds, OO, U. UE makes two sounds, OO, U. UI makes two sounds, OO, I.
Vowel partners are fun to do. There's OW, double O, and OU. With the giant phonogram, I'll try these tricks to learn its sound, 'cause it makes 6.
OW makes two sounds, ow, O. Double O has three sounds, oo, O. OU has four sounds, ow, oo, O. OUGH has six sounds, augh, o, uff, off, ow, ooh.
Phonograms show the smallest sounds in all the words we see.